Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. This is our last subscription box for 2017. And those who do not know what Ivory Clasp is, it's a monthly handbag subscription. And it is $45 a month. I will leave all the information in the bottom of the description section of this video. Let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, as we can see, this box is much smaller than the other boxes. So that tells me that this is going to be a smaller purse. Okay, let me see. Can I open it? Okay, when you open it up, inside the box it says, "People will stare, make it worth their while." Harry Winston. Okay. And this is how it comes. And this is the purse. It is a smaller purse. Okay. And it says AVI. And this purse retails for $118. Okay. And the color is blush, so which means it must be kind of a pinkish. Yeah. Okay. And here is the purse. Oh, I kind of like that. Take all these little things off of it. Okay, let's see. Pair of scissors for this. Hate is it's not easy taking this tape off. Only thing I hate about it. See? Okay, there you go. Kind of cute. Let's see. Like this, what you all think? Let's see. Paper out of it. Ah. All this paper in here. Okay, it did come with a strap, so you do have a strap. And this is how it looks in the inside. Yep. There you go. I really do like it. A little smaller bag. And I guess all you do is close it. Let me see, can I put the scraps on it so you all can really see how this will look? Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the purse. So, yep. This is the purse. What do you all think about this purse? Leave me a comment. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, Ivory Class. I really do like the purse. Like I said, this is the last purse for 2017. See you all in January for new purses for 2018. Bye-bye.